We told you earlier this week that the Honor 8X will be launched globally after 1 month of being exclusively available in China. Now, we have more details about where exactly the phone will be released and how much it will cost. First off, the Honor 8X will not be released in all European countries right away. Starting today, the Honor 8X will be available for purchase in 3 European countries, France, Italy, and Spain. As far as the pricing goes, the Honor 8X will cost €250, 4GB plus 64GB, and €300, 4GB plus 128GB, respectively. Although it's only available in 3 countries, Honor said the smartphone will hit more European countries later this year. Moreover, the company confirmed it will launch the Honor 8X in the United States soon. Honor 8X is a mid-range smartphone that promises excellent performance thanks to octa-core Kirin 710 chipset and Mali G51 GPU, which is enhanced by the revolutionary GPU Turbo, a software update meant further improve gaming performance. Since we don't have a confirmation yet, we can only hope that Honor 8X will receive an update to Android 9 Pie in the coming months. Thanks for watching and keep supporting the channel.